right. Alpharetta Mayor's Challenge 2018. Fiserv. Susan, 1 year later.
Sunday! Can't run in that, can you?
I can run, but I'm gonna really walk.
There you go.
Hey, they're called kangaroo jumps. Yeah.
Jump. They're like, hey, how are you? Are you gonna run with that?
I'm not gonna really run. I'm mostly gonna walk. Yeah.
Hey, how are you? I think
John, it's 1 year later. How are you, sir? Are you ready to run?
Yes.
Gonna beat last year's time?
No telling.
A little.
We'll see.
I think it's about the same temperature as it is this last year.
It's pretty good.
Yeah.
Good to see you.
Good to see you. Have you? All right, we are here at the Fiserv booth here at the Mayor's Challenge. Just trying to get this thing. There you go. Get used to using this. Let's go. I'm ready. You ready?
you got a little spring in your stuff there. I can tell you're ready.
Exactly. You guys ready?
Yeah, ready to go. Like those kicks, man.
Yes. Kangaroo jumps. Greg.
Want banana?
I'm good, thanks.
Sure.
Yeah. Ready to go? Feeling good?
Fiserv inside sales?
There you go. You gonna win this thing?
No, I don't know about that. My knees, man.
Good luck.
Knees, getting old.
See you after. All right, let's go take a look at the vendors and all the excitement that is going on. Hello.
taking some good pictures, man. Make sure you get me too. Yeah, get me warming up.
The officer up here said he does do more from Halloween. He promises.
Work it, work it.
Lead you astray. No, man, you cannot be wrong. You know the streets, you might know a couple shortcuts yet. Wrong street that really helps.
Let's go, Craig! Craig, let's go! Let's go! Fiserv!
Runners, take your mark. Go!
Woo! Challenge is underway!
Nice job, folks. Russell, hit the music for me. Nice job, folks. Off and running. Follow the road, and once the cones begin, stay to the right side of them. Once the cones begin, stay to the right side of them. Y'all looking good. Looking good, folks.
Just until you're drunk and I show you all the moves like Jagger.
Everybody going together. We got some of our firefighters going. Nice job, guys. Looking good.
Go, Ryan!
Because it's going to be hot and burn out here. You're looking good. Looking good, folks. Looking good. Nice job, folks. Nice job, folks.
Come
Looking
on!
good. Lots and lots and lots of people still running and walking. We expect to see you back in an hour. No stopping for coffee. No stopping for anything else. We want to see you back in an hour because there's all kinds of festivities when you get back. Looking good, folks.
Come on, let's go!
Looking good, folks. Looking good. Looking good.
Yes! Got a good cardio workout here. Alright, we are off in the 2018 Alpharetta Mayor's 5K Challenge. We are underway here, leaving City Hall. Lots of people running this race. We got quite the cheerleaders going on over here. What's going on, guys? The cheering is on? Woo! Alright, we're moving along. Lots of people behind me. Dancing with my kangaroo jump boots on. Here we go. Let's do this.
Great job, ladies. Keep it up. You're doing great. Fiserv.
What's up? Okay, we are by the Avalon now. This is moving along. ongoing.
Looking good. If you guys were only running, they'd cheer for you. If y'all were only running, they'd be cheering for you. Looking good, folks. Looking good. First day of running for the next year. Getting ready for next year's Coporate Challenge. Looking good, folks. Nice job.
Air hockey table.
That's right. Keep checking out all our awesome sponsors. Check in with them. Pick a wheel. Get yourself something that you've always wanted. You just never knew you wanted it. You earned it today.
All right, yes, sir.
You should keep them in your car. I might need to steal your measuring.
Picture time for Fiserv. Josh, how did the race go, sir?
Amazing.
Amazing?
Right, yes.
How fast you do it?
I did it in 5 minutes flat.
5 minutes flat.
That's nothing.
Jay,
I did 3.
3 minutes. All right. Well, the 2018 5K Mayor's Challenge is done. Did it in about with my Kangoo jumps in about 45 minutes, give or take. So not bad, not too bad. I'm a little tired, and that's it. Until next year, Fiserv proud.